Hey everyone, this is my first YouTube video. In the today's video, we are going to learn four of the most important finance concept: NPV, IRR, portfolio return, and portfolio risk. As well as we are learn about the discounting cash flow and how to calculate PMT. So we will calculate all of them step by step in Excel. If you are financial student, investor, or just someone curious about the financial decisions are made, how financial decisions are made, so this is video for you. So I open my Excel, I share my screen. 1 minute. Uh, uh, so now you can see my screen. So first we discuss about the portfolio return and portfolio risk. So I took some data about the four company like BASF, ALEMB, and BEML and Elecon. So first we calculate individual return. So like first we did like create the column like first BASF company. So return, then return, and then BEML return. I took randomly, so you took this Excel and you have a choice. Here we go. This is my first video, so I am little nervous. So don't be this. So question is arise how we calculate. So in the first column are empty because in the first month in the first year no return. So we start second column like if you start any formula from the Excel, we start with the equal sign. Then first we calculate BASF return. So formula is B2 minus B1 upon B1 into 100. Uh, so we calculate it. This one upon this one. This one. So this is my return. So we drag this. So we found all months data. We not necessary to calculate individual like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. Excel have enough. You calculate only 1 month. Excel calculated the all months. What you just drag the column. So now we calculate LM. Don't forget to put the column because you if you didn't put the column, your answer may be different or wrong. Try it. Okay. So I calculate all of the returns of the month of company. So now this is the stock. This is the weight. What is the weight of my portfolio? I need a portfolio risk and portfolio risk. So now will calculate the portfolio return and portfolio risk. Just a moment. Sorry for interrupt. Like first we calculate average return per stock to calculate portfolio return. So we made one column. We will make one column, or we can get here like average average return. Like first we start BASF. So we change some weight because it is a 80 only. 25, 25, 5. Now it's a one. To calculate the average return, we use the average formula like average. We select all the data, individual return data. So we select this one. My mouse is not working properly, so we put it. Now this set, press enter. This is the average return of the BASF. Now we calculate ALEMB. So we use average formula again and select all row cell. This is the yeah. Mm, Now we do for BEML. Press enter. So we got the BEML stock return, average stock return. Now as so we calculated the same for the Alico. One second. So this is my average return of the each of the stocks. Now we calculate the portfolio return, like how much I will get the return. So calculated this, we use the sum product formula. Like this is the weight of the each stock. Like I have 25% of the BASF share, ALEM is 25%, BMA 25%, and ELE on 25%. And this is the average return of the each stock. Now we calculate the what is my portfolio return. Every investor should know what is the investor portfolio return. So we calculate this one. We use the some product formula. Now array one, array two, we select all the weight range. Like this is some my weight range. Okay. Then we select average return. This is my average return. One second. present. 1 second. What is the mistake I do? Sorry, I did mistakes. We select individual adding. Then we check that. This is my portfolio return. We remove the decimal. Mm, And now we calculate what is the portfolio risk. Portfolio risk is all about the standard deviation. What is my standard deviation? So create in a covariance matrix among your stock return column. So we select all the cells, like all the return cells, and use the formula covariance. So we calculate covariance P. Uh, then we select all the columns like that. And we select first, then put comma, and second, and press enter. This is my portfolio risk. So yeah, now you can understand what is our portfolio return, portfolio risk. To find out the result, we can also use the SQRT formula. We didn't discuss yet, but I will definitely discuss in the next video. So now we jump into the second method, like We all know about the what is the PV and present value, future value. This is a very important concept. If you are entrepreneur and a businessman and any investor, you have to understand what is the my future value and present value. So now we will do. So first question is, if you borrow a rate 10 lakh at the 8% and make payment of 10,000 per year, how many years it will take to pay back the loan? Like we know about the loan interest rate and make payment like PMT. Uh, we do per month payment of $10,000, but we didn't know about the what is the period, how much the period. Like we will calculate the NPER. So we calculate. So use the formula NPER. So rate. What is my rate? So I put manually because problem is a statement. So 0.08 and then PMT my 10,000. We can also put the minus sign because PMT is my expenditure, and then PV is a 10 lakh. Then is the future value. We empty this column. Then we use the zero because question not ask the end of the period beginning so we will take end of the period. So we I put zero then. So because this is a minus sign because I didn't put the minus sign of the PMT 10,000 because it's my expenditure. So 10,000 so uh, रुक जा। So maybe that's 28 years. Maybe minus 10,000. What is the problem? It's a 28 years like 29 years. So now we calculate second question. Like you want to buy an Apple mobile, would you like to pay 40,000 today or 5,000 per year for 20 years at a rate of 12% per annum? Payment to made at the end of the year. So this question asks about the end of the year. So we calculate end of the year. So this is the very basic question. If you buy some property like that, so you will use this formula. So now you we do like equal to this thing we use the PV value because 5,000 is the future value over the next 20 years. So 5,000 into like 20 years, how much in the present value? So we will uh, differentiate and decided what is beneficial to ours like now pay the now or the EMI. So we calculate PV value. PV rate is my 12% and then 20 years and this is my expense so I put minus sign and zero and then it's the beginning or ending. Put the column and press enter. This is the present value. If I So better to pay is 5,000 for 20 years because we will shape the around 2,500 rupees, something like that. So we will go for the 5,000 a year for 20 years. Like next year, we calculate the PMT EMI. So we calculated like first we did PMT formula, put PMT formula, then rate is my 0.08%. Then we calculate monthly, so I divide the 12. Then we calculate what is the period, 12, 15 years. So I multiply by 12 because we calculated the monthly payment. Then I put the minus sign because this is my expense. What is the 1 CR? I put one through. One second. What is the value? 1 CR. And it's the beginning, one like a beginning. So, and it's the beginning. So I put one column one. So this is my EMI value. Like we calculate the next question. What will be a retirement corpus at the end of the each month of 10 years? You invest 4 lakh a year towards your retirement and earn 12.5%. So future value of annuity, we will use the formula future value of annuity. So our retirement corpus 4 lakh per year. So we calculate the future value. What is my future value in the next 10 years? So we use the formula future value, like future value. And what is the rate? Rate is my 12.5%. So I put 12.5. Then yes is a 10. Uh, uh, Invest is a 4 lakh. I put minus sign because I this is an expense. Zero. Then put zero. Put the column, enter. So this is sorry, I a mistake. I did mistake. I didn't put the 12.5 into decimal point 125. Answer is this. So now we understood what is the future value, present value concept. Now move on the series sheet number three. So now we calculate the discounting rate and discounting cash flow. So we start like what is the discounted rate 10% and investment 50,000. So any investment or a startup. So see what is my investment, what is my return. Like NPV tells about the return. This investment is beneficial for our business or not. So calculate the amount. So discounting rate is 10%. So we calculate the future present value of the cash flow. What is the present value of the cash flow? So we discounting the rate. So formula of the discounting rate is uh, 1 second. So formula is 1 upon 1 plus rate. Uh, so we use the formula uh, like 1 upon bracket 1 plus 10. Sorry, contest to that. So now we use the dollar sign because the 10% is a fixed rate. So I put the call that bracket and into this. This is a discount effect. I drag the column. I found it. Then I multiply the this rate into this number. I found that and I drag it. So this is my discounting cash flow. The total amount is NPV is mine. Add this. This is this. So NPV is my uh this one minus this one. So NPV is mine 79,675. So this project is a very beneficial for us. So we should go the invest. And now we calculate the IRR. IRR is the internal rate of return. So we calculate IRR. IRR is a value. We can take the any value. So I put the this value, which is discounted cash flow. And one second, hold on, hold your horses first. And then we take this value and press enter. What is selling? What is the values? This cash like 15. Here, what is the problem? So I didn't know what is the mistake here. I will try again. Before to B9. Okay, put the column. I don't didn't know what is the mistake here. I did correctly everything. Guess point and maybe put the column. I didn't know. Sorry for this. I didn't know what I mistake did. What I did mistake. I calculate again. IRR. तो मना किया घंटी मत हो जाए, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ।
भाई 10:47 हो
अरे तो भाई मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो कॉल कर दूंगा, रुक जा अभी।
यार, इधर आ जाता हूँ मैं, कौन सा कुछ बोल रहा हूँ तेरे को।
तू वैसे घूमता रहता, 10 मिनट रुक नहीं सकता?
ठीक है फिर कर, मैं इधर आदि के पास।
Sorry for interrupt. My friend is on the door. So, so friends, I didn't know what I did mistake. Like, wait, what's the value? Meaning, I didn't know what is the measure. That's it, friend. We will calculate IRR again. So move on the IRR. We calculate the sheet number 4. Like this is a case like we have a purchase price of 1 lakh, 13 lakh, down payment are 2,60,000 and loan term is a 120 and interest is a 8%. So we calculate the PMT like a monthly EMI, what how much my monthly EMI and the interest payment and the principal and the closing balance. And this is the 120 month. If you are do manually, it will take how I don't know how much it will take, like 4 hours, 5 hours if you do manually. But in the Excel, if you choose the right formula like dollar sign, you can do is a second. So we will do like opening balance is mine, uh 13 lakh minus 2,60,000. This is my opening balance because I already paid the down payment. So interest is calculate only the left amount. Now we calculate the PMT. So use the PMT. Rate is the 8%. 2.0, like we take the 8%, divided by 12, and also put the dollar sign because it's a fixed rate. Then NPER, our NPER 120 days, 120 months, sorry. And our PB is 1040. We put the dollar sign again, and future value tax is 0. Then put the column at present. This is my EMI. This is my expense, so this is minus. Remove the minus sign. We put the minus sign on the PMT. So this is my EMI. Interest is calculated uh, of the opening balance. This is my opening balance. Put the dollar sign, and then one second, put the dollar sign and into 108. Put the dollar sign. 1 second. I did mistake. I didn't divide to 12. This is my interest. Principal is the this minus this principal. Closing balance is of this minus this. So this is my closing balance. Now we take the 1 second. And this is 2 plus. We drag with the 120 days. Like we have a 13 column, so count the 158, 120. We only need 120 column. Now is a second of the time, like that. One is that. So now only I drag the columns and all values will come automatically. I give the example. Like if I put this one second, I did mistake somewhere. This is a fix. So be careful. So you can see I drag and this is the same amount because it's a fixed amount. Then we calculate this. Why indices are so wrong? One second. I put sorry. This is a not dollar sign. Yeah, done. Yeah, this is correct. This is correct, and this is also correct. Now I done. Wait a second. I one second. What is the mistake here? Put yeah done. So I individually type the 120. One second. This amount because I done. So my answer is certain. Some glitch because of that I put the individual. Now you can see the answer. What is my answer? To check your answer, if your answer is correct or not correct, you can identify in the last one. You definitely got the zero. If you get the zero, your answer is certain. This is my EMI. So thank you guys listening to me. And this is my first video. Don't judge me. And I gave my best. So thank you.